Hello guys, so welcome to a brand new video. So in this video we are going to make the famous building, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So actually I went there and actually I'm doing my masters in Italy, so I went there to see the building. It was so gorgeous, like I don't know what word is a perfect thing to explain it. It was so nice, so I thought of doing that building in Rhino as a 3D model. So let's go into the video. Before going into the video, I want to say, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, because we are going to post brand new content on Rhino 3D and Grasshopper as well. So if you don't want to miss any content, just press the bell icon and subscribe button. Okay, let's go into the video. So in the first command we are going to use this polygon. So polygon is like, this is the command where if you want to change the number of polygon, you can go inside the number side by clicking it and you can change the value. So but I'm on around 30, so I'm just keeping as it is. So it's asking for the center. Now I'm giving 0,0 as the center. Wow, because so it is being placed at the center, that is the origin, 0,0. So you can give the value or the coordinates, it's up to you, or else you can click the point manually by the mouse. So it's asking for the corner of the polygon, nothing but the radius. So I'm giving 8.45 as the radius. So the radius has been created. Wow, so sorry, the polygon has been created. This is what I need. So I'm just drawing a line from 0,0 to the edge of the polygon. So actually the model we are going to do is only one segment, that is 1/3 of the 30th only we are going to do. Then we are going to use polar array to get the rest. So that's like so only I'm just splitting into a half. Then I'm just trimming the rest which I don't need. So I'm going to do only one. Wait a sec. So I'm just selecting trim command. I'm just trim. So I'm using trim command, selecting all the objects. Now trimming this. So we need two partitions, like there is a center partition, that is a center hole, and there is a start partition. So we want to create a two partition. So for that I'm going to draw a circle, but I don't, when I go circle and I select circle, you can see there is no diameter circle, that is we can't see a value by entering diameter. So you should take the circle from here, that is circle diameter. So just keep the diameter as 7.66, another 6, yeah. So the 7.6 is being right. Now I'm using offset. So I'm just changing the offset by going into distance. Now I'm giving a distance of around 2.61. So now I want to place this part here at the center, but I want to find the center. So I'm just drawing a line to identify the center of the circles. So I'm just using move. Now I get the midpoint, that is obviously the center of the circle. Now I placed it there. So it's like, so we got the three partition, but I don't want the partition to be a curve like this, and I don't want to be a partition to be like a straight line like this. I want the partition to be the line parallel to this. So I'm just giving a copy and I'm just placing here. So the two lines has been copied, yeah. So I'm just deleting this line. So I'm just giving trim command. So I'm just trimming the extra lines which I don't need. So this is what the segment which we need. So now I just need the center one to extrude, but I can't do it, or else I should draw a polyline and I should draw the entire 4 points like this, and I can extrude. Okay, so I can extrude up to a distance of maybe around 5.85. So this is one way. There is also another way where you don't need to draw the polyline, where you don't need to use the polygon. So just select this and use curve to go into curve tool and curve boolean. So if I select the center, it automatically detects the space and gives you that. So this is a useful command. Now I can extrude. You can use this command in many places. So it's up to you. You can use any option. So I need like this, so I'm just selecting. Now I'm using curve, just selecting. Now I'm using curve boolean again. So now I'm just moving this up. Well, I need an extrusion of 1.2. So extrusion has been done. So I need a line to be drawn, so I'm using a line. So I'm just extending line in this angle, so around maybe a 5.2, right? I just gave 5.2, but the line is too big. I don't need this. I want a line up to 0.2. Maybe I gave 2. So the 5.2 line has been created. 5.2. Wait a sec. I don't know why this happens to me. 5.2. So the 5.2 line has been created. So now I'm just drawing a line. So instead of line, I'm going to use polyline. Yeah. So this is the polyline which I need. So I'm just using extrude command here, maybe around the distance of like this. Also, I have the scale 1D options that I use to do the entire pantheon. So scale 1D is always useful, and it saves you the day because you don't want to redo or rework in Rhino. So I'm just selecting this line of the solid by pressing Shift and Ctrl together. I'm just dragging it below like this, and I'm just selecting this line and dragging it up. Maybe I want this to be a little bit further more. I want this edge to be a little bit further. Sorry. Okay. So this is the part which I need. So it's done. So now I'm going to take a line command here. So from mid, I'm going to take a line command, then I choose vertical, that is we come straight down. So this is the line. Now I'm going to take a normal line. So perpendicular. So I'm just drawing a line around here. Now I just need a line of 0.6. So now the line which I drawn, I'm just going to move it around here. So I'm going to use polyline right now. So these lines I'm using it for just for reference sake. The polyline which I'm going to use is for the extrusion purpose. So there are a lot of difference, 1.5. So this is what I need. Okay, so now I'm just using line command as the middle, maybe the perpendicular. So this is what I need. Now I'm going to use scale 1D on this line. By middle, it's 0.3 I think, so I guess, yeah, you can see it's 0.3 down here. Now I'm going to change it to 0.4. I'm going to select this, copy and place it here. I'm going to rotate. Now I'm going to move it this to the midpoint. Now I'm going to copy this, copy this, so now I'm using line command, vertical line. So I'm just placing line over here. I'm just taking the line and giving copy command. Copy command. Now I'm just placing the copy over here. Also over here, and it's too much. Yeah, this right. I'm just using copy command. This is totally fine. So now I'm using line command here. Maybe around 0.839, 0.839. So I'm just placing a line with the distance of this part. So I can draw a curve which I need, so I'm just taking this curve and placing here. So I got a curve like this. So I'm going to use a line like this, perpendicular. So offset, I'm going to use offset command. Maybe our distance is, well, the distance is like this. I'm going to use offset command, and the distance which I'm going to place is, yeah. I'm just going to do Ctrl J. Now I'm going to use offset. Let's see. So I got it. Now I'm going to draw a line because I need to find the mid, because there is another arc which comes in the mid. Offset. Now I'm just changing the distance, like giving the distance to the mid. Yeah, I got the mid. So this is what I need. So I'm just drawing a line over here. So okay, I'm just using line command. I'm just using extrude curve. Now I'm just selecting these two lines, drawing a line. So I'm just ready. This is 0.6. I'm just reducing to 0.45. I'm just reducing to 0.3. So okay, this is totally fine. Now I'm going to use Boolean curve. I'm just deleting this, which I don't need, because it should come to this alignment. So I'm just deleting this. I'm just hiding this. I don't need. So I'm just taking this line and going to use mirror. Now I'm just drawing a line over here. Now I'm just drawing a line over here. I'm using extrude curve, the distance. I'm just changing the direction because it comes up and down. I'm just changing the direction. Now the extrusion has been done. This is what I need. So I'm just copying. I'm just doing a mirror command here. Oh, okay, so I'm just making Ctrl J and extrude maybe around 0.1. Now I'm just using scale 1D to get it over here. So the scale is being done. Now I'm just copying this arc over here. So now I'm just drawing a line over here. So I'm just using trim command. It's been trimmed. And now I'm using mirror command. Ctrl J. Now I'm using line over here. and line over here. So the line has been drawn. I'm just using Ctrl G. Now I'm using extrude command. So the extrusion has been done. So you can see certain projections over there. So I'm just using line command. Using line command over here. I'm going to top view. Now I'm using trim. I'm just trimming this. Now I'm just selecting these two and just trimming. Wait, I want to check it with data later. Now I'm just using mirror command. Maybe over here. Now I'm using trim. Trim. So the part has been trimmed. Yeah, okay. See some projections over here. Yeah, you can see certain projections over here. Just go there. Trim. The trim has been done. Now I'm just selecting it again. Now I'm just selecting line again. Now I'm using trim command again. It has been trimmed. The same I'm going to do in the opposite way. So as I said before, that we can use line to trim the 3D object like this. So it's a useful command. Before model I used certain times. So I'm just selecting the lines, trim. Yeah, it has been trimmed. So this is what I need. Now I'm going to use play surface from 3 to 4 lines. So before that I'm just selecting, going to select. Now I'm just selecting all the curves in the drawings, the file. I'm just hiding this. And now I'm using patch. So I'm just drawing a patch like this. Sorry, a curve from 3 to 4 surface which I need to draw. So I'm just using a mirror command over here. So the file has been done. Okay, this is what I required, so it has been done. Now I'm just using line command. Copy, rotate, move, copy. Also I can use mirror here. I can use mirror. I'm just using mirror over here. I'm just selecting these two lines and using Ctrl J. Now I'm just using offset. Now I'm using extrude 0.3. So now I need this part to be, before I'm just do this, I'm just using line. So this is a capital. This is a capital of the column. I'm just selecting these lines. Now using scale 2D. Okay. So I'm just maybe around like this. Yeah. Now I'm using circle. That is which is going to be my column over here. Now I'm just going to use, before I'm going to use this, okay, I'm just draw a line over here. Ctrl C, or else I can use copy and place it over here. Where it is? I don't need this much big column. Maybe I can reduce the size a little bit. Yeah. The size has been reduced. I'm using circle. I need a little bit other. So just scale this option. Now I'm going to hide this column and just select this. Scale 2D. Maybe I don't need this more. I'm just using circle. I'm just reducing the scale of this. The scale to 0.2. So okay. So I'm just using a vertical line over here. Just copying this. So that I can place a reference point. So I'm just placing over here. I'm now using scale 1D to do the scale. Now I'm just taking this copy over here. So now I'm just moving this. Copy. Rotate. I'm just rotating this. Over here, maybe. The perfect one, I think so. Yeah, I place it in the center, but I don't know. Okay, well, it's not in the perfect center. Maybe I'm just turning the line. Okay, I'm just using line over here. Well, the circle is not in the perfect one, so that's why I just deleted it. Now I'm just using extrusion over here. No, so now I'm just creating a polyline. Okay. So the file is being done. Now I'm just selecting the lines. So this is what I required. Okay, so I'm just I'm just selecting the lines again. Now I'm just giving control, unselect the bottom one. The lines which I use in the model or the upper, I'm just deleting it because I don't need it anymore. So I'm just making it as a block so that I can edit, so that I don't want to change all around the 30 polar array. I'm going to use polar array. I'm just going to create 30 with the reference. So this is what. So but I need to delete this which I don't need. Okay, so now I'm just pressing OK. So now I'm just using polar array again. So we got the base, so this is what I require. So I'm just using Ctrl G group. So I'm just copying it. First I'm going to use linear array. Array linear. I don't see anything. I'll just select it by this. There is a linear array. Now I need around 6. So I'm just placing it over here. So we got the center one. Maybe we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got the center one. So we completed with the center part. Now we are going to do the base part. So for this part, I'm just dragging this out here. Well, I'm just ungrouping. I'm just zooming on part, and I don't want the rest. I just need this part. So I'm just stretching it out. I'm just deleting this which I don't need. So I'm just selecting this and use rotate command. Wait a sec. And I also need to trace this part. That is the division of the 3 parts, right? Because according to the model, the center part will always have the inner space. So that's why I'm just deleting this which I don't need. I'm going to use rotate command. Just turn on the copy, yes. So this is what I need. Okay, this is totally fine. Well, I'm just exploding the both, so I don't need this line. I'm just joining these lines. I'm just extruding this curve, maybe around 13 meters. Because in the image which I showed, it has to be a base with a double height, so I'm just increasing to 13 meters. Well, I'm just taking apart and ungrouping again because I forgot one thing to do. Just delete all the part and I just take this Ctrl C. Okay, so I'm just using Ctrl V here. Group. Okay, so I'm just doing one part. Now I'm just editing this. Now I'm just explode this, and now I'm just looking it. I'm just moving this side. I'm deleting all, and I'm just deleting all the unnecessary things because I can't create it again, and the size will differ. So it should be same as the one which we did before. So that's the issue. So I'm just moving this downward. Yeah, now I'm just using rotate. So the rotate is been done. So I'm just so I don't need this maybe right now, so I'm just deleting this part. So this is what I need. Now I'm just exploding it, because I need this to be copied below. So I'm just using line, vertical line 0.3, linear. So I'm using linear array. So the number of items is 5. Maybe, yeah. So this is what I need. So I'm just using line command right now. So I'm using maybe 8.5. No, 8.8. So now I'm just using mirror. Mirror command, so the mirror has been done. So now I'm using a line to create CH. Using offset command. I'm just using Ctrl J to join so that I don't want to trim it again while doing offset. Distance 0.9. Now distance of, so it has been done like this. So now I'm using these two lines. I'm using extend command, and the extend has been done. Now I'm using the surface scale from 2 to 3 points. So I'm using that command to draw a line like this. Yeah. I'm just copying this line further. Now I need it. I'm just copying this part beneath. Now I am going to use offset command. Maybe a distance of, yeah, this is fine. Extend. So the extend is being done. Now I'm using up distance. So this is what I need. I'm using scale 1D. This is what I need. Now I'm using patch. So I'm just selecting the lines by pressing the shift control. Now I'm just dragging the gumball to give a thickness like this, but I need little bit more thickness, maybe like around like this. Now maybe I'm just creating, so I need a podium, a raise of a platform like this. That's why I just deleted the drawing which one. So I just selected the lines by using shift control, then I used combo to extrude the surface up. So you can do this because this method I just did to make the the Beijing airport. So I use this method, so you can also use this method. So it's up to you guys, like how do you want and how do you need to done. So there are different lot of methods are available. How do you need to design the, like how do you need to use the component according to your comfort. So I'm just doing this. Now I'm just copying this further. I'm going to use offset, maybe a little bit further, 0.3. This is what I need. Copy. I'm going to use trim command, extend. Now I'm going to use this patch. The patch has been done. Now I need this command. Scale 1D. So this is what we require, so that's been done right now. Maybe I need to draw a line. So this is totally fine. Now I'm going to Rhino Software. So this is what which I need. is the line which I'm going to do this. Where I just need this line to offset distance. Acha. விரதனா இருக்கீங்க. அக்கா என்னக்கா ஈரோடு இருக்கீங்களா?
ஈரோடு நல்லா இருக்கேன். நாங்க எல்லாரும் இங்க ரோட்ல உட்காந்து ஃபுட்பால் மேட்ச பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம்டா.
நினைச்சேன்.
எல்லாரும் உட்காந்து பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
ஓகே ஓகே சூப்பர் சூப்பர்.
நீ வரேன்னா ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோ, பப்ளிக்கும் பக்கத்துல தான்.
இல்ல நீங்க பாருங்க, எனக்கு வேலை இருக்கு.
ஹோட்டல்ல போட்டு வச்சுட்டோம் நாங்க. எத்தனை பேரு தெரியுமா? ஊரே இங்க தாண்டா இருக்கு.
அப்படியா? சூப்பர் சூப்பர்.
அங்கிருந்து ஃபுட்ட வச்சுட்டாங்கடா, டிவிய போட்டு. இப்ப கத்துடுங்க, கோல் போட்டா நல்லா இருக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே சூப்பர் சூப்பர். பாருங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே
ஓகேக்கா பை. So I'm just drawing the line which I need, so I'm just making a copy of it. So I'm just making a copy of the line, and now I'm just using this above. So after this part, so I'm just rotating this like this. So I need this line so that I can rotate it. So I'm just rotating like this. I'm just hitting the one which I don't know. And I'm using move here, so that I can place here. So I'm just using scale 1D. So I'm just reordering the shape which I don't need. Now I'm using okay, now I'm using ungroup. I'm using scale. I'm just using scale 2D. Scale 2D, so that will give you a bigger scale, which so the height won't change, but it will give us a little bit of bigger scale. So I need a shape like this. Well, remove from group, so I need the base. So I'm just using scale 1D. Yeah, this is what I need. So now I'm just doing this for the same. Remove from group, I'm using scale 1D. That's awesome. So I'm using polyline. So I'm using extrude curve. Using scale 1D. Now I'm just going it down. I'm just using trim. So that's been trimmed. I'm using Ctrl J. Move. And I'm just moving and placing, and I'm just selecting this. And I'm just copying this. So this has been done. Now I'm just selecting the lines which I don't need. I'm just using the lines here. So I'm just deleting the, maybe not deleting. I would need a line called so I'm just using block, okay. So I'm using polar array. So the polar array has been done. Now I got the party, so now I'm just copying and moving this. and tracing over this part. So the bottom has been done. So I'm just selecting this. So after I place a column, I'm just using scale 1D. I'm just using scale 1D, maybe around this measurements. So now I'm using scale 2D. I'm using so this has been done. So now I need a line, so I'm just using line. So I just draw this line, so I'm copying this and I'm just pasting over this copy. The perpendicular line, so this is the line which I need. So I'm using copy command here. So I'm using line command here. So I'm checking the distance, that is 1.63. So I'm just using trim command. So it is done. So now I'm just going to offset it. Well, I think so. I can offset a little bit over here. Distance, maybe I can change the distance. I'm just changing the offset so that I get a bigger one. No, this is fine. So I'm just selecting these two. Now I just select a line. So I'm just selecting a line. And 5. Now I'm just extruding to 0.15. So this is fine. So I just select this line. Now I'm just need to trim. Maybe that's fine. I'm using line like this, Ctrl J. Now I'm extruding to 0.3. Select this. I just select the explore, copy, Ctrl J, copy, so I'm just using extrude curve. The extrusion has been done. So I'm using line command over here. I'm using line command over. Ctrl J, planar surface. So the planar surface has been done. Now I just need to do the mirror command so that I get it in the opposite side too. So this is which I require. So now I'm just selecting the lines, which I don't need. Now I'm just selecting the lines. And only I need the bottom one, so I'm just unselecting this and deleting all the rest. So the top, the bottom and the top has been done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think so. One is missing, maybe. Yeah, I think so. It's around 6. Okay, no props. Let's go copy it. Just paste it above. No props, I'm just pressing all the light down. Now I'm just bringing it down so that I just place it. Oh, that's it. Yeah, so just done. So this is what I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to do it once again. Yeah, I'm just taking a copy of it. Well, ungroup, yeah, obviously. I'm just dragging this out, deleting this home because I need the same thing again. I'll take something different. Yeah, I want that angular. So I'll just take polyline. Oh, I'm just using this. So now I'm just turning. Okay, not bad. So I need a line. So I'm just drawing a line over here and offsetting to trim. Now it's been trimmed. So next I'm going to use rotate. I need like this. Sorry, I'm going to use rotate. While giving rotate, just press copy. Yes. Now I'm just running this word. I'm just using explode. I'm just deleting this. So this is the one I need. Okay. Technically it's been done. So I'm just doing offset again with a distance of 1 meter. So I'm just trimming this. Trim. So it's been like this. I've used curve boolean. Now I think so this is fine. Extrude maybe. Then I select this 0.5. Now I use line. Now I use offset. And distance around like this. Here's the one which I need. Yeah. Mirror. Okay, this is fine. Next is scale 1D. Yeah, now things are like this. Now I'm again going to use this. Now I'm just using offset command over here. I'm just changing the distance. and I'm just changing this. Now I'm going to use polyline. So I'm just changing this towards this. So I'm just creating a surface like this. Yeah, so this is fine. I'm just closing it. So now I'm just selecting, now I'm just using scale 1D. So 5.8. Now it has been dragged out. Use offset. Control J, offset. Now I'm just removing this. Use curve tool. Well, I think so it won't work out because it's been a gap, so there should not be a gap, it should be closed. So I'm just giving an extend command here, over here. So now I don't want to do a polyline again. I'm just going into this, and now I'm just selecting this and giving it just an inch. This is what, yeah, this is what. Okay, so I need another 1 meter of this. Okay, I'm just giving a copy and placing it over here. And now I'm using a scale 1D to get it done to 1 meter. So I'm just checking. And wait a sec, I don't need this. I don't need this also. I want a little bit. Offset, maybe I should change the distance. Okay, this is fine. Extend. So I'm using polyline. Maybe it's up to you. You can use whatever command you want. I'm using polyline. Now I'm just changing this. So it's been done. I'm just copying it. So copy. Back to the original. Somewhere. So flum is it. Now this has been done. I'm using line 1. 0.5. Three. என்ன போல ఉపన్యాసం జాయిన్ చేశారు. லைன் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். லைன் அவ்வளோ வச்சாச்சு. அந்த which has been done. So I'm just selecting this. So So I'm just selecting this and using extrude. That's totally fine. Just drawing polyline and using I need to measure them. 7.66 with diameter 7.66. Control Z. Scale 1D. Trim. I'm just using the trim. So which is being trimmed right now. So I just did with my trim. The trim has been done. So this is what I need. So which is being done right now. Now I extra perfect. The height is new. Okay. Polyline. I'm just using Control J, extrude it from that. So declare operator. Alright. 5, 2. Control J. So, totally fine. Then okay. I'm just using trim, so I'm naming rotate. So I'm just working on the plan, so which is it takes the time, man. So no. It takes time, you know. You can't go on single call. Let's take the time. Now I need to do with this. Okay. So I'm gonna find this. So maybe use the drum. So I'm just selecting these two. next yeah, okay. Different trim. Okay, so I'm going over here. Okay. Okay, I'm just selecting these two. So, Control J, then J, and now I'm using this as maybe extract wireframe. Now I'm just using Control. Control Z, 5, 2, first ray, second ray, one, action, action. Next to that, slide 2, select the first ray, second ray, okay, image, so this is a new, same way, extract, wireframe, I can do my best. Control Z. Slide 2, press A, second drive, first section, just select this, push left, so I'm just going to browse. Good. Scroll through the circle. So now I'm just drawing this line. Now I'm drawing this vertical line. Copy. That's using control. I'm using boolean as a phrase. Rotate. Control G. No. Scan 2D. Mirror. What is required, so I'm just closing this by using the mirror, using this mirror. I'm just sorting this. Maybe I'll be here. Create. So Control G. Polar array. Array polar. So now so now I'm just going to place it there again. Unnecessary for has been done. I'm just selecting the lines. Now I'm just deleting the line. So the model is being done. So save your comments in the comments section about the model. So it has been done. So, and you can also specify certain models which you need. The tutorial in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.